Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Pulsar sedan, stock reference number 5672. This shape runs from the 12th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2017. It has an MRA8 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MRA8 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left headlight, left guard has no damage, bonnet has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has a previous repair, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy bumper cover, boot lid has no damage, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio and phone buttons.